LumeCube 2.0 was built for the on-the-go creator, who needs their lighting to adapt to any environment and withstand all the elements. We designed LumeCube 2 to be the smallest, most feature-packed, professional quality LED on the market for creators. Inside, the LumeCube 2.0 features a true 5600 Kelvin color temperature with a 95 plus CRI and an 80-degree beam angle. We've installed a new, custom-designed lens to bring the beam angle to 80 degrees with no hot spots and a smooth fall-off. LumeCube 2.0 features a 2-button system. One button to increase your brightness and one button to decrease your brightness, and also toggle between light modes. We've also included a low light mode for night and long exposure photographers. Simply hold down on both buttons and your light will drop down to 1 to 10% brightness. Of course, the LumeCube 2.0 is Bluetooth controlled. Open up your Lumex app to wirelessly control your lighting. Tucked behind the waterproof seal is a USB-C charging cable. This allows you to quickly recharge your LumeCube 2. We've also included indicator lights on top. Your LumeCube will flash green when it is fully charged. No more guessing. With a new internal battery, the runtime on full power is now up to an hour and a half. Need more shooting time? Simply keep it plugged in and charging so you never miss your shot. For all you flash photographers out there, we included an optical sensor on top of the LumeCube 2, which allows it to act as a slave flash to any of your other lighting devices. The built-in quarter 20 thread allows your LumeCube to mount onto any drone, camera, smartphone, or quarter 20 compatible device on the market. This is where it gets fun. Included in the box comes everything you need to start creating dynamic lighting effects. We've included a CTO warming gel, a softening white diffuser, and a low-profile camera mount, all paired with our magnetic modification frame. Now this is where LumeCube 2.0 really sets itself apart. It's made with a solid aluminum body, which makes it virtually indestructible and waterproof down to 30 feet. This makes it the go-to light in any environment. LumeCube 2.0 is available today in a single and a dual pack. If you have any questions at all on the product, please drop them in the comments below and we will get back to you. Get out there, get shooting. We can't wait to see what you create.
Introducing the LumeCube RGB Panel Go, the ready-for-anything lighting tool to capture content exactly how you imagined it. As creators, we're looking for cinematic color to capture mood and emotion, a strong key light to brighten up scenes, and most importantly, an intuitive design so our focus stays uninterrupted. The RGB Panel Go sets the new standard for portable on-set lighting. In the studio, it gives your content an elevated look and feel. For portraits, it allows for full customization and creative control. For everything else, it gives you the power you need to see your vision through. With the RGB Panel Go, you can create with hundreds of colors to find the exact hue that you need. No limits, no restraints. The bicolor functionality gives you the power to match the color temperature of your scene to achieve that natural look. Bold ideas call for bold visuals. Access built-in lighting effects like siren and strobe to elevate your creative vision and set your content apart. Get exact precision and fine-tune your settings with the bigger and better LCD control screen on back. In real time, see how much battery life you have left, down to the last minute. The aluminum alloy build is as tough as they come and designed with true durability in mind. 2 quarter 20 threads allow you to mount to any camera, tripod, or gimbal with ease. Only you know what it takes to bring your vision to life. The LumeCube RGB.
Kevin Liu with Ikan, and on this Tech Corner, we're going to talk about the Onyx on-camera lights. The Onyx aluminum on-camera series comes in 2 different sizes. We have the 15-watt OYB120 and the 30-watt OYB240. The graphite housing is made of aluminum, which helps keep the light cool. These lights come in bicolor, which allows you to adjust the color temperature from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. The OYB120 comes with one battery and a battery charger. This battery charger that the OYB120 comes with can be plugged directly into the wall. The OYB240 comes with two batteries, a battery charger, and a car charger that allows you to charge the batteries in your car. On the back of these lights, there are 4 buttons: the power, the mode, and the plus and minus. The mode button allows you to toggle between the color temperature and the dimmer. When the orange LED is lit, that means the plus and minus adjust the color temperature. When the blue is lit, that means that it's adjusting the dimmer. To see how much battery power is left on the light, you can easily tap the power button and it will indicate how much battery life is left. To turn the lights on or off, you would hold down the power button. Both Onyx lights include the hot shoe, which allows you to mount it onto the camera, and then on the bottom of the hot shoe, there's a 1/4-20 hole. In addition to the hot shoe, the OYB240 also includes a handle and a stand adapter. Thanks for joining us on this Tech Corner. To learn more about the Onyx lights, you can visit us at ikancorp.com.